the Tiki Girl Channel. I'm going to do a vlog about how to apply the Gold Royal Jelly Hydro Gel Patch made especially in Korea. I've tried several gel eye patches and this brand is one of my favorites and a common eye patch that I like to use. Why? Because it stays intact under my eyes. You have to let it marinate and stay in to dry under your eyes, and it is so quick and reliable. And you'll feel like the sensation under your eyes, which also helps stimulate and regenerate the skin cells. It dramatically elevates your own skin's collagen, growing ability, and this will also restore elasticity and firmness to the skin and reduce wrinkles, puffy eyes, fine lines, crow's feet, and the appearance of the bags and dark circles under your eyes. So I'm going to show you how to use this. So first you have to cleanse your face, which I did, and thoroughly dry your face. Then I'm just going to open this up. And I'm going to take out, as I open up on the package, I'm going to take out the recovery patches and expose the gel under my eyes. See, it stays intact. So once I apply the patches under your eyes, I smooth out the patches to make sure that the hydrogel makes good contact with your skin. See? So all you have to do is you just relax and wear the patches for about 30 minutes. So 30 minutes is up and I can totally feel that this Gold Royal Jelly Hydrogel Eye Patch works to hydrate and rejuvenate your skin. So I'm going to remove the patches gently and discard. Do not reuse the patches. And note that the patch is clean and comes off easily and does not leave any messy white residue. And this gel eye patch does not rub off on the skin. Now I can totally see a difference. I noticed that my eyes look instantly brighter, more radiant, rejuvenated. My fine lines and puffiness and dark circles under my eyes are completely gone. I recommend to use this for at least 3 times a week for the first week and then at least 2 times a week thereafter. Precautions. These eye gel sheets should not use to make contact with your eyeballs and do not use it over your eyelids. As we age, our skin becomes less elastic and more prone to wrinkles and fine lines. The skin underneath our eyes is especially fragile and both aging and a lack of sleep contribute to heavy eye bags and dark circles. If you frequently have these issues, eye gel patch could be the easy fix you're looking for. Well, we hope that you enjoyed this tutorial and thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. And if you're interested in purchasing this Royal Jelly Hydrogel Eye Patch, please click the links below and don't forget to check out my website at www.thetikigirl.com. Mahalo and happy shopping!